I'm here to demonstrate the process of electroplating on a safety pin. This is one another project opted by student for submitting for CBSE practical examination. The procedure goes like this, or the method of approach goes like this. There's a battery eliminator, 2 amp battery eliminator available to us, in which 4 voltage is fixed, and the positive terminal of the wire connects positive terminal of the battery to the copper plate, and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to a safety pin. Before the safety pin is attached to the wire or connected to the wire, the safety pin is scrubbed completely with sandpaper. In dry nature, it is placed on a weighed watch glass. So initially you have to weigh the dry watch glass, note down the reading. The safety pin is placed on the watch glass and the whole setup has to be weighed once again. So that will give us weight of watch glass and dry safety pin. So that value is the first value to be noted. Then attach the safety pin in the circuit with a wire and immerse it in an acidified copper sulfate solution, which is going to act as an electrolyte. So the whole setup is going to be left in this manner, and the battery is switched on. As soon as the battery is switched on, the time is noted. So we know the voltage, the current in amperes, and the time. We have noted the initial time. Allow the setup to stand for 15 minutes. So at the end of 15th minute exactly, so 15 into 60 will be the time in seconds. At the end of 15th minute, the battery is switched off. Pause. Video is running, please wait for a minute. At the end of 15th minute, exactly 15th minute, the battery is put off. Allow the setup to stand for a few more minutes and then slowly detach the wire from the circuit and also detach the safety pin on which the electrode deposition of copper has happened. Without any spillage, deposition being wasted, the pin is detached from the wire and placed on the watch glass which was initially weighed. Now the pin is in the wet condition. This setup has to be left for drying. It might take half an hour for drying. So after initial drying, the whole setup is weighed again using digital balance. The second value is noted. So if you minus this second value from the first value of watch glass with the dry safety pin, we get the amount of copper deposited on the safety pin. We have established that electrode deposition of copper has happened on safety pin. Further, we can establish the Faraday's first law by using the formula W equals to ZIT, where W indicates the amount of copper being deposited on the safety pin, and Z indicates the electrochemical equivalent of copper, I denotes the current in ampere, and T time in seconds. So knowing I value, T value, electrochemical equivalent of copper, we can calculate the amount of copper which can be deposited. So the time will be 15 into 60 seconds. Current in amperes will be 2 amperes. electrochemical equivalent of copper is substituted, and thereby weight of copper deposited is calculated. Comparing the experimental value and the theoretical value, we can suggest the factors which can affect electroplating. So the project can be extended to the extent of analyzing the scope of the project in future. Thank you.